Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you the only two free platforms that you can go in and try if you want to go viral on social media. If you're someone that is an author, you're a writer, you are some type of a digital product creator, meaning you create courses, you create just anything that you're selling digitally online, including fiction and nonfiction books. So both of these you could go in, you can use immediately right now. And the cool thing about this is you could go in and use this just as I am to build your social media following on autopilot, meaning it creates the content for you and it will schedule the content out as well. All right. So as you can see here on my screen, and I'll give you both of these. I'll put a description link or link in the description. So you can see on my screen here, if I switch between each of these profiles. So these are all of my profiles on the whole, right? So as I started, here's where I was at. I was just really flatlined. I wasn't consistent with posting on social media. I really don't like posting on social media. It takes time. So I'm really, I'm not the type to want to post every single day. But if I can come in and I can have AI do it for me while I'm at the beach, while I'm spending time with my family, while I'm sleeping, then I'm not missing any of that consistent time and it's still getting done. So as you can see, I kind of, would be on and off. This is me doing it, right? Here I had hired someone and I was paying this person like $200-300 a week. Same thing, right? So hired someone, paying them a couple $100 a week. And then here's where I started to use the setup that I'm sharing with you now, using AI to do it. And it's consistent. And it's just been it's been skyrocketing ever since, as you can see here, right? So 4,000, 1,000, 2,000, right? It's just been really consistent. It's been the best ever. And the best thing about this is I go and I say, hey, look, here's the type of book that I have. Here's the type of digital course that I have. Here's my coaching program. Here's some information about me, and it goes to town. You can go and you can approve every post if you want until you get that rhythm in place. But take a look. You can literally post on multiple social media platforms. So here's Facebook, right? So it's posting on Facebook. Here's Instagram. It's posting on Instagram, right? You can see that curve is just gone up. And this is just over, actually, you can see TikTok. TikTok, we actually just started literally, but you can see how it's just boom, exploded, right? So you'll see, and you can even have multiple profiles. So I'll switch to one of my other profiles here. So if you have multiple companies or multiple pen names, if you're an author or writer, if you've got multiple books and you want to have profiles for each book that's outside of the genre, or you can just keep all of your books under the one account. All right. So you can see here, even with this profile, right? There's that ascension. So it's even on like profile on platforms where actually I don't have the reds in that under this profile. LinkedIn, right? And I've never posted to LinkedIn. I've never just really felt the need to, right? So Pinterest, and you just see where it just consistently, right? We had removed this YouTube account. We put it under another profile, right? But you can literally have just playing around with it and me posting. And again, not being consistent. Right? So me, I would post sometimes I'm not posting. So you would get the flat lines. So now I will post a link to both the resources in my description. Um, Now, this is where we actually go in and we give our AI agent the ability to say, hey, go into our Metricool account and post on Instagram, post on TikTok, post on Twitter. If you only have one account, that's fine. If you only have like Facebook or if you only have like Instagram, that's fine as well. It will consistently post there. You see that it gets me a ton of subscribers as well. Now, here's the AI agent that we use. I call it Agent 99. It's also known as Victor. You'll go in, you'll say, hey, Victor, here's where all of my social media accounts that I want you to post to. And it will go in and it will post different types. It can post reels for you. It could post carousels. It could post like reels on TikTok or Facebook or Instagram. It could post the carousels on Facebook or Instagram. It could post just static image posts on Instagram and Facebook. I highly recommend that if you are someone that's a digital creator, again, an author, fiction or nonfiction, someone that is looking to sell digital products online, this is the way to go. It's the easiest way, especially if you're doing this with limited funds. It's the easiest way to have like AI go in and create your content and post your content and schedule it out. As I'll show you here, I'm going to go over and I'll show you how it's scheduling to the point where it's very little that I actually have to do. So I'll go back. So these are all of the posts that it's going to put up this week. Now, these are the posts that it put up last week, right? So you see where it's just posting on Pinterest here. It's posting on Instagram. It's just posting everywhere, right? So if I go back even more to the prior week, right? Everywhere that it's posted, and it's just knocking it out the box. It's posting on X, it's posting on Blue Sky. So even these little platforms that you may not know of, you want to definitely have visibility. So go in, sign up for them. It takes like 2 minutes to sign up for each one. Connect them to your. I'll put a video in the description as well. I'm going to put 3 videos in the description. One that will give you access to the AI agent that I use. There's only one AI agent that I suggest that you use. Again, it's called Agent 99. I call it Victor, and it's the only one that will go in and do the work for you, meaning it will create the actual content and it will schedule post the content for you on whichever platforms you want it to do so. It's the only one that gets it done the right way. I've tested a lot of these. It's the only one that I can really set it and forget it. And it does it the right way, right? And then I'll also share a link to the scheduler here. So you're going to need to plug in your scheduler. Super, super simple. Don't get faked out thinking I'm not a technical person. Don't tell yourself that story and that lie, because I used to tell myself that story and that lie for a long time, and it cost me. All right. So this is the way that authors and writers and digital product creators are going to have an advantage with AI. And those that don't, they're actually going to you're going to miss the boat. You're going to lose out. Right. So go in, check the description, click all the links, the link to the scheduler here, the link to the AI agent. As a matter of fact, I forget to tell you, not only am I going to give you the agent for free, but I'm also going to $2 worth of free credits while supplies last. This will, if you take forever, if you don't click that link. Now, all of these are affiliate links, so I might earn something if you go in and click those links and you get access to your free Metricool account, or if you get access to your free AI agent. All right, so there you go. Stay well.